Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your health with Udacity, complete guide step by step clearly. Udacity offers a variety of courses that can help you improve your health. Start by visiting the Udacity website and creating an account if you don't already have one. Browse through the health and wellness category to explore available courses. Consider your specific health goals, such as fitness, nutrition, or mental well-being. Select a course that aligns with those goals. Take note of course details, including duration, prerequisites, and skills covered. Enroll in the course and review the syllabus to understand the learning structure. Schedule specific times in your week dedicated to course study. Engage with the course materials actively by taking notes and completing exercises. Participate in discussion forums to connect with fellow learners and share insights. Utilize additional resources recommended by instructors for a deeper understanding. Practice what you learn by integrating new habits into your daily life. Track your progress and reflect on changes in your health and well-being. Reach out to instructors or peers if you have questions or need support. Once you complete the course, evaluate your achievements and set new health goals. Consider enrolling in further courses to continue your health journey. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results in your health improvement efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.